In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create constant contract email template. In order to do that, you first need to head over to their website, which is constantcontract.com. From in there, you can just input right here your email address in order to get 14 days free. But if you use our link below, you can actually get 30 days free from them. So once you have an account, you can click on this login option in order to successfully log in. Now, I have in here the actual constant contract. In order to create an email template, let's head over and go in here under the emails. And then from in there, it should be able to show you the email hub of your actual account. Proceed to click on this create an email option right there. Now from in there, you can actually choose in here a template that you can actually utilize. You can see right here all the templates that they have. You can also start from blank. You can get announcement templates and also choose from your industry as well as generate emails with AI. For example, let's try to generate one with AI. Let's create a newsletter about sports equipment. Click on this create right here. And once you have done that, this should be able to actually show you in here some custom emails effortlessly created. Here are some examples. So you can just utilize those created by AI as a template if you would want. For example, let's choose in here this one. Let's click on this. And then you can see in here what it will look like. You can see the similar themes as well and click on edit. And from in there, you can actually edit this. Here at this right here, you can make some tweaks about this. But once you're done, you can proceed to click on this continue option right here. And from in there, it should be able to actually load in order to save this particular template for your actual account. For this case, proceed to actually list it as a template by going over here to the advanced settings and saving it as a draft that you would want. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.